Hey guys, it's me again, and I am just back again with another packaging video. I just am putting together another parcel, and I thought, while I'm on a roll, I'm just going to keep filming them. So this one here is going out to the lovely Rachel from Paper Ventures. It is a long time coming swap, but better late than never is my motto. I'm not going to get hung up on it. She knows that it's coming, and let's get packaging so I can share it with you. So I've put aside some shred that I'll just pop a little bit on the bottom. I've got that in one tub. I've got some sequins in the other, so I'll just sprinkle a bit of that on the bottom. I've got this packet of all heart stickers that I just said I'd send her because she was doing an album with them ages ago, which is why we started even doing this swap last year, because she was finishing off her album and she didn't know if she would have enough all heart left. And I said I had an extra lot of stickers, so I said I'd send them to her. So she's finished her album, but I'm sure she will still love the stickers. And then I found these. Rachel's a big Disney fan, and I found these actually just at a little op shop, but they're Mrs. Potts and a Chip little set from Disneyland, and they're like little pouches that you put things in, like little containers. But now that I've just opened that and thought about it, I'm just going to quickly go and find something to pop inside them that's light, because I may as well make use of that little extra space. Hang on a moment. Okay, so I just dashed around my room and had a look what I could find, and I wanted something that's quite light but that we could also stuff and make use of the space. So I have got dozens and all this like trim and lots of pretty vintage laces. I got some gold sequin trim, this little really cute little heart trim, these tiny little vintage flowers, and some little iridescent star trim. And I remember on a recent video of Rachel's, she was saying how she doesn't have much trim. I think she meant more like pom-pom trim, but she can just, oh gosh, some little flowers. I can go on that one. I don't actually have much pom-pom trim. I probably do, but I actually just don't know where it is, so I'm sure she will have lots of fun with those. So that's one. Sorry, really awkward. Fill Chip up with trim, and then Mrs. Potts, I've got this random little iridescent tub, popcorn container full of little fabric scraps and little bits of fabric I've sewn together. Some little bits of fabric. I've actually given Rachel some other fabrics, but I'll put those laces in this one. She's been started to get some little fabrics at the moment recently, so I will just add lots of these little bits because I love the little chopped up bits, because you can sew them on like little tabs. Pull some more out. There's a few little more vintagey coloured bits, and I will pop those in there in that one. So they weigh basically nothing, but it's a great way of adding a little extra gift. So let's put those two there. Okay, so now they're filled up, I feel a bit better that they've got something in them. Now let's start putting all the other goodies in. So I have got these just some goodies sewn up in here. I can't remember what that is. I put some little butterflies that I made. Here's another little gift, which I don't know what it is, but that'll be a lovely surprise for Rachel. Oh, this one's cute. So I've just popped lots of things in little bags, and she loves Disneyland, and I found these really cute little vintage style Disney stickers at Typo, so I thought I would grab those for her. And what else have I got? I've just got all these things on the side here. Here's another little treat. What's in this one? Some Rosie Studio stickers. This one, so I've just put lots of these in little bags. This one is some little Rosie Studio tags. So just adding lots of little goodies for her that she might not be able to get over there. This will be something else from Rosie Studio, probably. Some little Jimmy stickers. I love all the glittery gold Jimmy stickers, so pop some of those on. Made this little embellishment into a paper clip, so I can just pop that on there like a little embellishment. Here is a little Happymail I made for her. That's the other Happymail, which is all heart. I made this quite a while ago, but I've held on to it for a special swap, and I think that Rachel will love it. It's got some little zips and all kinds of goodies in there. This one is some pretty twine for her. There's putting lots of little embellishments on these bags that she will be able to reuse. What else have we got here? Some cute cupcake popping candy. This really sweet little vintage style Disney pin for her. She collects Disney pins, but this is just like a little pin that's Disney style. These are some pretty little fabric scraps for her. I put some of this really yummy pink grapefruit and orange tea in there. And I think that's it. Is that all? Yes, that is all my goodies. So that fits in with heaps of room to spare, but this was the only box that I had, so I'm going to pop all the shred on the top there. So I just pulled all my bits of pink and mixed them together. I just want to make sure I haven't missed anything, because that is sometimes what happens. I just need to add the letter on the top, and then I've got some pretty sprinkles. I'll pop that in. Fold the tissue over. And then I just made this funny little tag for her using some vinyl with sequins on it and some of these really cute Rosie Studio Salt and Sunset stickers that are like a white iridescent that I didn't use, and I just love them, so I'm just using them on everything. So there is Rachel's Happymail. It will be going out to her shortly. I hope she likes it, and I will share this video once she receives it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.